In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a product ID on Shopify quickly and easily. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard through the Shopify website. Once you're logged in, click Products from the left-hand menu. This will display all the products in your store. Next, select the product whose ID you want to find. When the product page opens, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll see a URL similar to admin.shopify.com/store/your-store/12345678990. The long number that appears after products is the product ID. This unique number identifies that specific product in your Shopify store. You can copy and save this ID if you need it for apps, integrations, APIs, or troubleshooting purposes. That's it. The easiest way to find a Shopify product ID is by opening the product in your admin panel and checking the number in the URL. Thanks for watching.